All right. Who started this fight?
He messaged the neighbor's pigeon again.
She liked the pigeon's post first. I'm calling animal control for love issues.
Objection. Emotional damage.
I want my lawyer! Please, someone call him! This is murder!
It's just a routine checkup shot.
Routine! That needle could impale a dinosaur! I can see my ancestors through that thing! Officer, if I survive this...
You look perfect today.
Perfect? That's a big compliment from a little guy.
I'm small, but my love is big. Give me your heart. I return with kisses.
You're dangerously sweet.